Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is Lotus again. So I am so excited right now because another surprise from Success Community. So this is another perks from Success Community. So let's check what's inside. Okay, so nakikita natin. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is it. This is it. Oh my gosh. Nakalagay talaga siya sa bubble wrap. And this is it, guys. What is this? Then, it's a lot of... It's a tablet. A tablet. From Success Community. So, here it is. So, ang cute niya. So, ano siya? Rose gold. Gold pala. Rose gold. Tapos white dito. And then, oh my gosh, guys. This one is the charger connector from your PC. From the tablet to the PC. And then, stylus pen. Stylus pen. And then, USB cord. And then, meron siyang dear friend. Wow, it's a mysterious gift. Ganda. So, meron din siyang screen guard. Wow. Then, may two wipes siya. So, ito yung laman niya. Lahat-lahat. Wow. Thank you, Success Community, for this. Coach John Kaluk, thank you very much. So, tsaka si Boss MJ, thank you very much for this. So, yung husband ko talaga ang nakakuha ng gift na to. So, he is a qualifier. So, yung hubby ko is a friend. So, thank you very much, guys. Dito na lang po ako at I hope you like my video. So, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell below para mas ma-notify pa po kayo sa aking new videos. Thank you po!